Hey everyone, welcome back to Guardian LK, where we dive into the latest in tech, telecom, and everything in between. Today, we've got 5 exciting telecom stories from around the world that you absolutely need to know about. Let's jump right in. First up, AST SpaceMobile and Vodafone have inked a groundbreaking deal to bring space-based cellular broadband to underserved areas. That's right, broadband directly to your phone from satellites in orbit. This could be a game-changer for remote communities worldwide. Exciting times ahead for global connectivity. After years of delays, the ADC submarine cable system is finally live. Spanning an incredible 10,000 kilometers, it connects major hubs across East Asia, including China, Japan, and Singapore. This high-capacity cable will bolster internet speeds and reduce latency in one of the world's busiest regions. British Telecom, or BT, has unveiled its first-ever network Wrapped, showcasing how people connected with 2024's biggest moments. Think of it as Spotify Wrapped, but for broadband and mobile trends. From live events to viral TikToks, BT's data is giving us a unique look at how tech brings people together. Next, Airbus is taking low Earth orbit to the next level. The aerospace giant has signed a deal to build 100 satellites for Eutelsat's OneWeb expansion. These satellites will boost global broadband coverage, with deliveries kicking off in late 2026. The race to dominate LEO is heating up. Finally, disaster recovery in Japan is getting a major upgrade. Telecom giants like NTT and SoftBank are teaming up to restore communication networks faster after disasters. This collaboration aims to minimize the impact of outages and keep people connected during critical moments. And that's a wrap on this week's top telecom stories. Which of these updates surprised or excited you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Call to action for subscribing with links to other videos.